Yep.
Okay.
Then you open the present. You remember who these are from?
It's Grandma, Baby, and Grandpa.
Okay.
What will this be? Let me try. It's some that color stuff.
Cool. A whole tub of them.
You make them come. Then Aaron saw it.
Kira picks the next present and gives it to the person, and then they sit down. Oh, we need a bag for garbage. Here, maybe you could get one while the next person opens the present.